Hey, on the next Loan Officer Breakfast Club, which is Tuesday, May 26th, Carl White is going to go over how to conduct a proper pipeline meeting. If you conduct pipeline meetings with your team, sometimes they may get a little chaotic and you don't maybe get the result that you were looking for. You get off track, that kind of a thing. Carl White's going to lay it out in a very logical, methodical way to make sure we get the most out of our pipeline meetings. And also there's a giveaway that we'll have for you on Tuesday as well to help you in conducting those meetings by tracking what's really the most important thing. So be on Loan Officer Breakfast Club, May 26th, 2026 to, get all the goods, man. We'll see you there. Anyways, you know what? Kevin Gillespie's in the house too. What's going on, Kevin Gillespie?
Hey guys,
Oh man,
I'm going to give you a cheer. I'm going to cheer you, man. You want to know why? Because you're always so happy. Do you just wake up happy? How come you're always so happy first thing in the morning? I don't get it.
Somebody asked me this the other day and they said, don't you ever wake up grumpy? I said,
Yeah.
No, I let her sleep in.
Frank. Oh man, this week was a week in artificial intelligence. So I took the announcement. I have it on my phone. So who's familiar with Condé Nast?
What is it?
Condé Nast, the publisher.
Oh, I was going to say, I think there's an ointment for that, but anyway.
Well, they publish like Vogue, GQ magazine, Architectural Digest, Glamour, Wired.
Wow. Okay.
Like a bunch of them. Like if you think about like words, they're like one of the largest publisher of words in North America, right? So like, Let me know in the chat. Are you familiar with Condé Nast? Let me know. Yes.
Yeah, there's yeses in there. Yeah.
All right, cool. So this is the quote from the CEO of Condé Nast this week. Condé Nast CEO, plan as if your search traffic will be zero. Condé Nast, as of this week, is now planning and preparing for a future where less than 10% of total traffic to their publications comes from search.
Wow.
That's crazy.
That is crazy.
Like, what we're living through right now is absolutely a Blockbuster to Netflix moment. Search traffic, people Googling it, and going to Google, searching for the information, getting the information, finding it, and making their decisions based off that is being replaced by AI agents and people using AI agents like ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, Claude, you name it. We are living through that search right now. And that shift is happening faster than I ever anticipated it. I actually did an interview this week with one of our people that were helping build their authority with AI. And he shared some stats with me on their production. So they've been tracking this for a year. So we've been working on getting AI to recommend their mortgage business for just over a year. They've been on our SEO program for about 3 years, and we started just over a year ago working on AIO, which is what we call like ranking inside of AI. And so here are his stats. So he's the number 5 mortgage broker in the state of Florida. So top producer. And over the last year, 1 out of every 3 deals that he has funded has come from either somebody calling them off of their Google reviews that show up on the front page of Google, or a recommendation from an AI agent. So that's ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, right? So 1 out of every 3. They're getting very well-educated, very sophisticated buyers that are coming in and buying really nice properties with very high loan amounts on them. So it's this whole new aspect of lead gen, but I don't really know what to call it because it's not a lead, it's kind of a referral. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it's you're right. It's way better than a lead, but maybe not quite as good as a warm referral. You know what I mean? But it's somewhere in between. How do you think it compares to Google SEO? leads? Like,
I think it's completely different.
yeah.
Yes. And the reason why is because of the relationship. I know we're probably going to get the question of like, why not Claude, right? We're using Claude a ton as a tool in our business, but the market statistics, the most recent ones that I've been able to dig up, still show that over 80% of consumers, like your typical person who's going to get a loan, is still using ChatGPT.
I'm kind of new to this. So you said to use AI to create a newsletter, and then what do you do? Like you're putting this information out on Facebook or Instagram, and it's taking it, or a blog or your website. What do you do with this?
So first thing is email it out to your database. And this is past customers, referral partners, everybody that you've got. Local market newsletter goes out. Then you're taking it and you're posting it on your blog. And the blog is important because it indexes on your website, all those wonderful things. Then you take that content and you're posting it on social media with the link back to your blog. And it's my opinion that sharing a little bit of research on who the buy and sell groups are on Facebook in your local marketplace, and you're not just posting it as a status update on your social media, you're going into the largest groups in your community with just a helpful weekly newsletter on here's what happened in the real estate market, here's what's happened in the mortgage world, here's what's happening around town. And you just
is that the targeted group? Or
yeah, like a local buy and sell group.
Okay.
And your market will have groups specific to real estate. There'll be local mom groups, local buy and sell groups. There's incredible communities with tens of thousands of people in them. And 90% of the people watch, 10% of the people post. And you can be that person every Friday morning that's just like, hey, here's the helpful marketing update. You know, if you're looking to go see a house this weekend, reach out to me. I'd love to connect you with my real estate partners. But what we do is we go with you and we share the screen with you, and you show us your market. Who's your competitor? And we reverse engineer your market with you and then create you a plan.
Yeah.
But I think that this opportunity should not be missed, because I see this exactly like it was 10 years ago when Google came out. And those first movers got that advantage to be on the front page and be on the map placement. And then it was really hard to knock those businesses out of that placement once they had it and they had that first movers advantage.
Yeah.
I want our community to be aware of that opportunity being here now, because it's a different strategy than SEO. It's a different strategy than what we were doing on Google. And I think the first movers are going to get that significant advantage.
Hey, thanks for checking out the highlights of today's Loan Officer Breakfast Club live call. Remember, you can join us live every day, 8:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday at breakfastclubzoom.com. If you'd like to see full replays, you can get those by becoming a member over at Mortgage Marketing Animals Next Level. If you want to learn more, go to MMAnextlevel.com. And thanks for joining us here at the Loan Officer Breakfast Club website. For that, we'd like to give you a free gift. If you just scroll down to the bottom of the page, we always have a giveaway for you, something really cool. With that, you have a great one. We'll catch you on the live call. See you then.